Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial River channel. In this tutorial I'll show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. For that you have to open your Facebook apps. Now I'm opening it. The right corner, tap on the three line, scroll down and then settings and privacy. Settings, scroll down, now shown here, download your information. Tap on this, continue, and press on request a download and select this. And select message option, then next, tap on next, format HTML and media quality medium, low, medium or high. Now I'm select medium quality and submit request. Okay, now done. You can need to just 2 or 3 hour wait, and then Facebook team automatically send a message in your Gmail. Okay, that's how you can do it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe our Tutorial River channel for more video.